This is a tutorial on how to create a 12-month calendar with just 12 columns. So basically for column A1, I decided to put the year that you want. So for cell A2, we have a formula that will provide you the date that you need, and it will also make adjustments based on leap years. So a leap year typically occurs on February 29th. So as you can see here, the last date in February is February 28th. So let's just go to 2020. It has February 29th updated. Now for this cell, this part will check if this year is a leap year. If not, it will return the date that it should be. That only pertains to one cell. That only pertains to row 61. But other than that, it's going to take the year, the month, and the day and provide a date all the way to 366, which would include a leap year. Next, we want to return a value based on the month and the week number. So we can do that with a formula that references column A. And then for this one, we want the month and the week number from column B, and we want the weekday. So either Monday through Sunday. And in this one, we want to return all of the month and week numbers from column B. And we want to remove the duplicates and only go until we reach December and the last week of the year. The other three columns will go until you reach row 367. Now that we have the month and week number without any duplicates, we are going to provide the month using the index and match function. This will return the values for column A while looking for the month and week number in column B. Now we need to create the days of the week for Sunday through Saturday. Just use this formula for F1 to L1. Then we need to create an index and match to return the days that we need for the 365 days in a year, or 366 in terms of leap years. So we're going to take an index and match. We're going to return column A based on the month and week number and the day of the week. And that's going to be looking at column C, which contains the month, the week number, and the day of the week. And to prevent any like errors or like non-values, we also use the if error and then return blank for those values. And we want to keep certain values constant. We want to keep the return column constant for index. We want to keep the lookup value. We want to keep the same column but have differing rows. For the day of the week, we want the same row but different columns. And for the match lookup array, we want both of the columns for the C to be constant. Then we also have D to change the format to date. Then if you drag that formula down all the way to the last possible value, now you have a 12-month calendar just by using a few formulas and a few columns. You have a lot of data that you can use. You can use this for like pay periods, you can use it for holidays. There are a lot of things you can use it for.